So today we will talk about double circulation. We will start with definition of double circulation. As you can see on your screen, the definition of double circulation. Double circulation is a process during which blood passes twice through the heart during one complete cycle. We are going to note these down. Let's see how to write it. Like double circulation, we have to talk about. Yes, wait. This is important line. We are going to write this line that blood passes through twice. Blood passes twice through the heart during one complete cycle. So this is very important. This is the definition of blood circulation, that blood passes twice through the heart during one complete cycle. And examples, as you can see, are birds and mammals. So we are going to keep this definition on our screen, and we are going to delete the other definition. So let's see, let's keep it here. All right, so we are going to minimize it and we are going to keep it somewhere so that you can see it always. All right, now we are going to understand the meaning of this line diagrammatically. So here you can see the diagram. You have seen the internal structure. We know about all the names of chambers of heart and names of arteries and veins and walls involved. You know all about that. So we are going to talk about the meaning of double circulation. We will try to understand it diagrammatically. So here you can see, we will see one side first. We will see one side first. Let's see. We are going to cover the other side so that we can focus on one side. So here you can see that blood is entering, the deoxygenated blood as it is present here. It will enter heart through superior inferior vena cava. It will enter into right atrium, then into right ventricle, then through pulmonary artery it will enter into lungs. Here at the level of lungs, we know that oxygenation take place, and we denote oxygenation with the help of red color. So this blue blood will be changed into red blood and it will go back to the other side of the heart, right? So this is one circulation. We can draw a line to understand the difference. So this is one complete circulation, and we also call it pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation. Right? Now let's see the other type of circulation. We are going to move this box around here so that we can focus on the other type. So let's see. Here we know about the left side, blood has entered into the left atrium. From here it will go to left ventricle, and then it will enter into aorta, and through aorta it will enter into body, like other parts of the body, other organs of the body. And here we know that body cells, they will take up the oxygen, so the color of the blood will again turn blue, and this deoxygenated blood will enter into heart again. So here what is happening? This is the second circulation. From the left ventricle back to heart is the second circulation. So now after this blood enters here. It completes one cycle of, what is it called? One complete cycle of heart. We also call it cardiac cycle. All right. So the other side we are going to name as systemic circulation. Systemic circulation. So these are two types. of two parts of double circulation. On the left side, systemic circulation. On the right side, it is pulmonary circulation. So that's why it is called double circulation, because there are two parts of circulation. Blood passes twice through heart. You can see the definition and you can see the diagram that blood passes twice through heart here. Blood passes twice through heart during one cycle. One cycle completes when we start with this part, that is the right atrium, and we end with it. So this is one cycle. Moving through this complete, this is one cycle. And in completing one cycle, we know that blood is flowing through heart twice. Once it is flowing through, the one path is, if we have to mark it, then what we will use, from here it will go here, then it will go to lungs, and then it will come back here. This is one circulation, and let's use some other color to to mark the pulmonary systemic circulation. Sorry, from here the blood will go to ventricle, then to aorta, and then to body, and from body back to heart through superior and inferior vena cava. So the purple one is showing the pulmonary circulation, and the green one is showing the systemic circulation. So this is double circulation. We have tried to understand the definition, and then we try to understand the concept diagrammatically also. If you have any question, you can leave those questions or doubts in the chat box. Thank you.